Miss Sabrina is back for Season 4.
Hello! My feelings inside go round and round, and that's okay with me. I am. Estoy. Soy. Why, hello there, Ray.
What is the difference? ¿Cuál es la diferencia?
Good question. Buena pregunta. Let's find out. Vamos a aprender más. Are you happy? ¿Estás feliz? Feelings change all the time.
I am confused. Ahora soy confundido.
Actually, it's estoy confundido.
Oh dear, vaya.
That's okay. Está bien. La frase de hoy es soy o estoy. No lo sé. I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am grateful for being unique. Vamos a practicar lo que Ray y Ana aprendieron hoy. I am kind. I am strong. I am loved. I am smart. And I am special. Have a super fantastic, amazing, spectacular day. Bye-bye. Adios.
Check out her books and download free bilingual resources at MissSabrina.com.